Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, hear me? It's been a while I haven't posted a new video, you know. One money ras, man. I know the things set up, I know the things sticking, but you hear me, some people. Just continue to support the channel. You don't know the thing up. You know what I mean? It's just a lot of work, me I put in a lot of work, you know what I mean? You know the badness come down. You see the new movie you do, people? One of them now got grow. See me? Don't know when you have something you uplift and do your thing, you know, make it drop a ground. Yeah man, the one of them now got grow. See me? Me and the team, one money ras. Like, share, subscribe. Share up the thing, people. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah man, one MoneyRasTV. What is under my nose? I'm out.
One life, yeah. Yo, D-Dan, yo, Vertex, Koalas, Champion, one life, yeah. I don't waste, I ain't green. Smoke, I'm no afraid. High grade punch up my face, left my eyes them red. In my teeth, found my mother sugar and bread. It make tough floor feel soft like bed. If I wait in a brain, more money me I spend. Borrow anything else with money me no lend. If I'm my last food money bout weed me I spend. Me say smoke and frost and repeat it again. Now with the blood clot, you get that weed then me friend me say I don't always.
And I'm a dead body star. I know see my brother thing go down and drop off a gun and a star. I know I'm gonna make it. And me not gonna make it neither. Not even Indian not gonna make it. So I have to understand that. So we can't make it thing go gun. When you go gun, you know, remember, you know, you can't dead. You can't get up back. So we not plan to go gun. Rise, we have plan to rise up the thing. So Indian better try to understand that. Yo, D-Dan, yo, Vertex, Koalas, Champion, one life, yeah. I don't waste, I ain't green. Yo, fast back.
I want to go on blocks.
Yo, think the whole pass up I go on now, my cousin. Whole pass up, me say I go and start.
What kind of style this, brother?
I'm away to me see I junk out and all in the Kuwait style. Right now, my brother talk and say, boy, yo, I'm going to change up everything in the style. You know, see, I be a junk and when I see him, come here, I use up the money to my dog. I also may fight, but I don't fight, I fight us them. I put up my try, put up my better things in the style. You see me?
Hey, you know, me I come check you then, because you know, can't really talk over them phone about them things, you know. Need to talk in person, you see me? So I gonna come check you on your block. Yeah, man, right now, I'm
just do it hard and forward, you see me?
Yo, Black! I'm telling you, I come link you official in the dark, because I know you chat to me on the phone in the dark. So what you say to me now, dog? You tell me a bag of things on the phone, you know?
From where I see that thing run down. I run beer for the car, dog. Man, them a beer.
Talk up to me, you say, man. What you say me, do? You rent beer full of car, them?
Because you go on now. You see man, them.
Yeah.
Man, them do what come from where they are. You see man, them do a cash car, them. How much car man have? No 8 car, how much of them left? No 2 of them left, no done.
Couple of them up at the garage, I start out.
Because 2 cars a be a madman star. Man, I'm mad, dog.
Kind of like me can't sit through man brain for no who much from who collective. A man have the money and them come to rent vehicle, I just have rent the vehicle.
Well, I understand still, but at the same time still, I have to tell the man, say, boy, I have to stop this car and things still, you know, because better than just go and go run some taxi, you know. See what I say?
And them things them here too.
Yeah,
What kind of style that, brother? That means, me not stay up on top of things, and me and the man will make this reach the level, And me make them a run down.
Yeah, man.
You know, or watch it now. Watch it, I'm show you something. The rent a man the car, you know, the road very bad sometimes, the place where them go.
Man, they not take care of them, dog. So we have to change the thing. We have a chance to change the thing and go and run to a taxi.
Well, talk to your brother, you know, and see what you know.
Yes, when the taxi run, I have more 15 grand a week to blow, see, you know, but, see? But still no, but better that more and more know so you carry them and wear and not tear all the while.
Yeah, because
That means that we not get no more like that.
and a donkey man donkey and careless and I mash up the thing them brother. And that's the circumstance. You hear me I say? So me know when you come one like say you try push the man from the business to go do something else where no must work.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying I try things to it's like I'm out telling that the animal for even back from that right and all.
So I can't just say nothing to the man then and make me deal with it then.
Yo, told me see you carry them mash up there.
Yeah.
There's something to do that.
Alright, I hear your brother say if you feel like things are going wrong when you say it to me.
I mean, they just see your better thing and drop a gun where you do. You just make drop a gun so.
Me never tell you to do that.
Oh.
You know much time things are just out of chief to reach you when they reach.
We know that.
Catch up all of them.
Sometimes I reach them.
You have to give and take.
Sometimes when they reach them, they mash up. You see it.
Most of the time.
And that I catch it, this man now. Then I catch up. And mash up.
Well, at the end of the day still, you know, me don't tell you no things that already, you know. If we are do a thing, we are do a thing as a team. A team work, make the dream work. So, I mean for you, you for me. So you have my back, me have your one. So if you can make the dog look like, say, boy, him carefree, and him no business with the vehicle him. So you must do as him like, well, you take it from there and do what is right for you.
No, man, you're on them for a reason. I remember I tell you again, I care, I think, I don't care. You know, the trip cost me to say that little things are good on the care them, and I say, boy, yo, I know. Because see dog drop a gun everywhere, all I care, then get hurt, and gone, the garage, it don't make sense. And then you want to go somewhere. If you have one vehicle go and drive around the place, that means, boy, yo, you can't reach nowhere. So it took you all the way up, right, I know you have to tell him what to do. I
have to go push off right now, I have to go left here, sir. Yes, I have to go make a quick run, yeah man? Yeah man, I have to catch up back down.
No, we're chatting about it.
Yeah man, we're chatting about it.
Yeah. Alright.
When it's a breadfruit and sour fish or something. Where are the blocks?
We're going down with you.
Okay. You maybe soon come here now.
That time good? Ah, come.
Where go on, MoneyRas?
Yo, fire spark, so go on, brother.
You know how long more I hear from your dog? Because you know say what they link all the one blacks him dog. I mean, I don't know if I chew you and my brother dog. The dog tell me some things dog like him want me to feel away or you know what I say? So I really want to know what I go on dog. I know what I go on here.
I tell you the truth, I don't like what I go on, you see me? Yeah man, I'm not gonna go around you. I don't like what I go on. Honestly, I don't like what I go on. I'm bigger frank with you see me?
As some young youth, I just rent the car the other day and they mash it up. Me couldn't see through them mind or know what they would do with the car or what they would not do. Them have them license and them check me and them say them want to deal with that thing, them want to go airport and I say, yo, I go bus. Them give me them money and I go say, boom, and me and them sign an agreement say if nothing go wrong, and them response will take full control of the vehicle. Okay? And me take deposit from them also and I have everything written down. So listen to me now. Me and you no need for you to go through them and something your brother cause here what? Me and you can fix things brother and make everything run good, you see me?
You have to know who you rent car to, brother. Them little young youth and have no sense, brother. You know see me? You know see the time change, you know see them modern youth here. How them depend drifting and all kind of sitting ready for mash up your engine, rev out, high rev, all kind of sitting, mash up your engine, you see me? I'm gonna depend that. Mash up crankcase, mash up that. My youth a good thing, me have some good mechanic in my youth to look out for me, you see me? So I just want you to understand how the game go. The game not go like how you are put it. You see me?
And I want to pay MoneyRas man, and I know say, me always do the business the right way. Look how long me run the business, brother. And nothing like this never happen. You see me? And money I make now, brother. You see me? Can fix problem and can take care of all our brother and everybody alright, brother. You see me? Blacks need to go on side with them style, brother. I don't know if I chew you and my brother, I try to push me aside, brother, like him no want me have no work, dog. And when him depend, dog, you need to go see him and chat to him, brother, or call him and make him know what time it is, dog. Because I don't really depend on something, brother.
I don't want my finger ground. He's a businessman. I'm a believe in a straight business, straight making money.
Money Ras, I'm tell you something, dog. See me? Remember this, dog. Me not gonna be the one to make the business go wrong, brother. You see me? So don't bother feel like say me I go mash up the thing them and me don't care, me not care, brother. And watch a dog, no matter what I go on right now, if you even go switch up the thing like what me I hear from your dog, just make sure say you remember me, dog. You can't left me out, brother, because remember me did really start this thing, dog. The whole of the day foreign all about, and me did the man where I do this thing, dog.
But I have something for you to do, so don't worry yourself, you see me? You're still in the link, man. You just can't run the rental business no more.
So no make no man carry no news to your ears, brother, and you push me aside, dog. And then a ball to no man, brother, because man have whole heap more work you can go do, dog. So just do what I do, brother, and me know what time it is, you see me? Alright, bro.
Don't know, yeah, man. Up top. Little more. Alright, bless. Yeah.
Yo, D-Dan, yo, Vertex, Koala, Champagne, One Life.
Hey, are they black?
Yeah, okay.
You got come on.
So what go on?
What's me there, though?
What go on with you? Because you run and say, boy, I put a bun up on something, so I don't know what go on.
Tell you the truth, still. I just one of them day, the man. He pot left on fire and fuck the go. I never run me around from the conversation or nothing like that, dog. Because I get to find out, say, right now, brother, your brother have everything under control. And say, right now, I'm not worry myself because changes me. And things are going to go on. And me I go still in the picture, you see me? So I just go and know, say, you are everything good. And I come back to tell you, say, brother, now what you are going on and saying, you ain't no problem, you ain't brother. So I don't have a pain in my heart, right? You brother? I want to make you know this good. You don't have a wrong concept about me. I never come to change the business, I come to build this. You see me? Build me come to build this. I never come to change it. So I just want to have that in my head, brother. And that's me the about the fuck with that. You see me?
No man, because we can't do anything I don't have to rise up the thing.
Alright, brother.
You see me? And that, when I call, I wait for money, I say, give me brother to you, man.
Alright, I mean, even say, you didn't even mention nothing about that.
You give me some work for money.
Alright.
I see every time. When the thing up, that one.
You mean that?
We're not going to go.
No, upon top of things we are staying over. Remember we said on top of things.
We're not left on top of things.
Alright. So here you know?
I'm the original brother that you know, man. You see it? So I don't know where it came from. Yeah, man. So, for my brother, I run things. We're not making that go.
Yeah, but you know what I'm glad say?
We have to do that with
You know what I'm glad say? Everybody understand each other now.
Yeah, man.
So nobody know cuss and nobody know open them feelings.
No, man, no, man. Yeah.
The little changes you make, probably I can't for the better and I can't for the worst, but hope for the best and prepare for the worst, no?
Yeah, man, I best still, you know?
And that's one of them.
Yeah, man, that's the best. Right, go on.
That's how you think come down, man. Let's go and lock the place. I have my number, so you know if I don't take it,
man.
Big up.
Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Brother. So you go, brother, funny checker, you know?
Just watch the movie. I know wanna like it. Good concept. Yeah, man, just continue to support the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know? MoneyRasTV. It only spell one spell, no space. MoneyRasTV. Look out for the next one, people. Good storyline. I put in the work, I put in the work. That's why I wanna haven't seen me for a while. But now I'm back with brand new content, people. Support the channel. Like, share, subscribe continually. Tell a friend to tell a friend. One Money Ras. What is our number noise? I'm out.